Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Very generous. And now look at that. Woo! Yeah, you can probably see where a majority of the people like to grab their doors, especially me. My goodness. It's funny, this all looks like it's matte black, and this is the only bit that looks satin that has some sort of a shine to it. Kind of funny. It's all supposed to be satin, by the way. So if you have a black vehicle, or better yet, a vinyl wrapped vehicle in black, you probably have all this nice and visible. Hopefully you don't have that. That's pretty bad right there. We don't want that. So if you're like me, then you are tired of your beautiful dirt work being completely ruined and interrupted by greasy, dirty fingerprints all along the edge of your door. Very clearly, you could see just where I grabbed this door a lot. And now, as you can see on the passenger side, it just confirms that no door is spared. Good news is, we have a solution. It's not the stocking, it's what's inside the stocking. These right here are jam handles. Double-sided tape, peel that off and place it right along the door jamb of your door. So first thing you want to do is make sure you clean off the area with some isopropyl alcohol. You peel off the little backing paper here, set the location, and stick on your jam handles. There you have it, the jam handle has been installed. Different colors, different options available for jam handles, folks. Real easy and simple design. You just, that's it. Super easy and effective way to closing that door and reducing your fingerprints, protecting your paint or your vinyl. Now I'll be honest, it'll be a little bit till I get used to closing my door using the jam handle. I got one for my driver's side and my passenger side door, and I got another one for my Subaru. And there you have it, folks. Best way to protect your paint or your vinyl wrap is to pick up some jam handles from jamhandles.com. Make sure you use Apex Corner 10 for 10% off your orders. We have redemption on all of our doors again. As you cannot see, no fingerprints. All our doors have been cleaned up. Driver side and passenger side are rocking the jam handles, which means no longer touching the edge of the door here. Flawless. Do yourselves a favor, folks, if you value your paint or your vinyl wrap for that matter. Pick yourselves up jam handles at jamhandles.com. Make sure you use promo code APEXCorner10 when checking out to save yourself 10% on these bad boys. Lots of different styles, lots of different colors. Check it out. You won't regret it. Look at all those fingerprints.